ISPR के ज़ेरे एहतमाम समर कैंप 2026 मुल्क भर से 4000 से ज़ायद तलबा और तालबात की शिरकत। पाकिस्तान के 18 से ज़ायद स्टेशन से नौजवानों के समर कैंप 2026 में भरपूर शिरकत, कौमी यकजहती का मुजाहरा किया। सीनियर सेनेटर और तज्ज़ियाकार जावेद जब्बार की समर कैंप के शुरका से खुसूसी नशिस्त, पाकिस्तानियत और तहरीक आज़ादी पर गुफ्तगू। क़याम पाकिस्तान, कायद-ए-आज़म की बसीरत, साबित कदमी और सियासी हिकमत अमली का तारीखी समर था। महदूद वसाइल के बावजूद पाकिस्तानी कौम ने आज़म, इत्तेहाद और कुर्बानी से मजबूत रियासत की बुनियाद रखी। पाकिस्तान की तहजीबी शनाख्त वादी सिंध से मेहरगढ़ जैसी कदीम तहजीबों तक फैली है। पाकिस्तानी कौम अपनी जहानत, रवादारी, मेहमान नवाजी और मुनफरिद कौमी शनाख्त के बायस दुनिया में मुमताज़ मकाम रखती है। पाकिस्तान ने हमेशा कश्मीरी अवाम के हक़ के खुद इरादियत की उसूली और मुस्तकिल हिमायत की। ISPR समर कैंप 2026 नौजवान नस्ल में कौमी शऊर, मुस्बत इक़दार और कायदाना सलाहियतों के फ़रोग़ की अहम काविश करार।
Humble opinion, Pakistan's creation is the single most unique creation in world history. In the world history of nation states, no nation state was created the way Pakistan was created. But look at the short time frame. He announces it on 3rd of June and 10 weeks later, Pakistan is supposed to come into being. And all the infrastructure, the roads, the hospitals, the banks, the offices, they were all in New Delhi, Bombay, Madras. So we didn't have infrastructure. Within 8 to 10 years, our economy grew at 8% per year, 10% per year. The Indians were हैरान हो गए कि what has happened? How has Pakistan managed to start exporting to South Korea? How has it managed to create its own system? South Korea and Malaysia and Indonesia and the Philippines were sending delegations to Karachi, which was the capital at that time, to learn from Pakistan how to become a dynamic. Find out what made Mr. Jinnah tick. What kind of a character was he? Man who never cried in his life. He was so brilliant at maneuvering and negotiating with the British and the Congress that he outwitted them. And he could not budge. So they had to concede. They had to concede the creation of Pakistan. Try not to use the word partition. Ye partition ke lafz ko aap ban kar do. India had never been an independent state in the form that it exists today. We need to always be vigilant on this, and if they make any claims about the Indus Valley civilization, we can forcefully rebut it and proudly say that not just Indus Valley, we go back to Mehergarh. So there's so much to be proud of being Pakistani. We have confidence. Whatever the threats from terrorism, from India, from Afghanistan, this country's stability is secured by our valiant armed forces. The ratio of officers of Pakistan's armed forces who also sacrifice their lives along with their soldiers is amongst the highest in the world. Because in the other armies, the officers themselves don't go to the front to face the bullets. Pakistaniyat has different elements. We can be proud of the positive elements. It is our duty to work on the negative elements. We should tolerate and we should respect each other and build a better Pakistan. And the duty lies with each of us. Each of us. Whatever we are doing, it is every single Pakistani has a duty to build Pakistaniyat and to reduce the negativism and build a better Pakistan.